Hi guys, this is Jeff at Slavens Racing. This video is about how to clean fuel injectors on any of the KTM fuel injection models, the 4-strokes or the 2-strokes. I'm using the Enduro engineering kit, which comes with this cable that plugs into the injector, and then it comes with the filter and a couple of clamps and some instructions. So the reason I'm making this video, normally I would not make it because it's got instructions, and Enduro Engineering does a good job with instructions typically. And we're big fans of those guys over there, so don't think I'm throwing them under the bus, because I'm not. They're all great guys, they work hard, they make great products, but just like everybody else on this planet, we all make mistakes daily. And I just caught a mistake in their instructions that I thought needs to be corrected via video. All right, so in the instructions, first of all, it says to hook these alligator clips into the stock battery, the one that's on the bike. Well, on these little injectors, operate off of a little coil piece that's in here, and that's operated off of 9 volts. The computer drops it down to 9 volts for the injectors. So when you hook this up to a 12-volt battery, you could potentially damage the injector. And I came across this just, I kind of forgot that they're 9-volt, but then I plugged it in like the instructions said, and I noticed that this injector was getting really hot. And so that concerned me, and then the light went off, and I remembered that they actually need to be plugged into a 9-volt battery. So just get a 9-volt. The plus side is marked on the battery, which is the smaller one, and then that goes to the red, and use that to open up the injector. And when you do that, when you connect it, you'll hear a little ticking sound, and you'll need to have your radio off and whatever noise you got going on in your shop so that you can hear it. But as soon as you connect it, you should hear a click, and that means the injector is open. All right, so the second mistake that the instructions say is to blow through this end, the connector end. This end goes to the gas tank, and they're saying blow through this. This is a golden filter. In their instructions, it doesn't show a filter. It just shows as the original connector. But it shows to blow air through here and then out through there. Well, the problem is with that method is these injector, the holes in this injector piece are extremely tiny. Now, if there's much of a piece of debris in there at all, like a little piece of plastic or something out of your gas tank, it's not going to come through there. And you might even clog it up more. You might take whatever sludge is in the system and push it into the injector and clog it up even more. So actually what you should do, this one, if you've got a filter on your bike already, this is a Golan, you need to take that off, because you don't want to push all the grunge back into the filter, and then as soon as you start the bike up, the dirt goes right back in. So don't do that. Take the filter off, and then blow air through here once you've got this battery connected. So connect the battery, listen for the click, that means it's open, then blow air through this way and out. And I usually like to do it onto a rag to where I can see what comes out. And then the next step would be to blow contact cleaner through here. And so to go in here and it will come out here. And you should do that, 2 or 3 times. And then blow air again through here, clean it out. And then after you've got past that, then blow contact cleaner in through the fuel line connection and watch the spray pattern coming out of here. So it should come out in kind of a V pattern. And it should look like a nice clean V pattern. If it looks kind of funky, well then you probably still have some more dirt in there that you need to get out. All right, guys, that's all I wanted to tell you. And this is not a complete how-to start to finish. There's just 2 bolts that hold these in. They go up here in the bottom side of the throttle body, and then there's a connector you have to unplug. It's pretty simple. Hopefully this helps you out a little bit. I'm sure the guys from Enduro Engineering will see this and probably make a correction on their instructions. But get out for some throttle therapy. Please like us on Instagram, and Facebook, and subscribe to us on YouTube, and hope to see you out on the trails. That's all for now.